But it been a long, long week, boy. I ain't gonna even count. No count, gang. You feel me? Bro, the 11-week wolf challenge is over. I got the Clippers on deco. Just don't know. But I almost kissed the Clipper. How you know it real, boy? You feel me? I ain't gonna even count, bro. This one of the best wolves I don't have in the game. You feel me? Like, for real. Big shout out to RG3, man, cause we made it, man.
We finally made it. We finally made it.
You feel me? No count. But look, bro, I can't even wait, bro. I'm about to take off the jacket and everything, man. We about to hop right into it, right after the intro.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned it.
What's good, up to this gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, woo, boy, I'm feeling like I'm feeling. Why you feel me?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Bro, my girl been letting me go. I ain't been having no cuts, ain't been tripping. When I get the cuts, you gonna try to have me on lockdown. I gotta go with you feel me? No, you ain't going. You been letting me go by myself. No, you ain't going, girl, you feel me? Just chill out, you feel me? She been letting me run freely, cause I ain't have no cut. But when I get the cut, at the end of this video, you talking about, you gonna try to follow behind a nigga. You feel me? Nah, look, nah. Just go on over there. Just go on, stay over there. Nah.
Bye, Felicia.
I don't need all that behind me. Like, not when I'm feeling like $1 million. But look down, man, you already know, man. You seen my last 11-week wolf. Man, I put a whole can of murders in my head off that wolf, man. So that's how I know it was real, man. You feel me? I ain't have to do none of that, this wolf, man. If you ain't seen that video, man, you don't take that out. But look, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start out with the 5 guard, you feel me? I always start out with a guard higher. I've been cutting my hair since the last 11-week wolf I did, you feel me? I feel like I don't got a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna start out with the 5 guard as usual. And then I'm gonna switch on to the 4 guard open. And then we're gonna go from there. I don't know if I'm gonna close it or not. If it be looking straight when it open, I don't like my scalp to show like that, cuz I like them things that look like they full and they be dipping on them folks, you feel me? But yeah, man, shout out to RG3, man, cause without her, I don't even think I would've made it, bro, you feel me? Like, for real, it's some real right here, man. Like, I wouldn't even made it, bro. If you rockin' with me, man, I want you to pound that Drizzle gang down below too, man, you feel me? Drizzle gang gotta be pound below. But yeah, man, no further ado, man, let's get into it, man. Gang. Okay, man, before we get into the cut, man, first and foremost, you want to grab your comb. And we gonna get into this comb session. This is a regular rat tail comb I picked up from Walmart, so let's get the combing out them ways, man. Being the fact that this is a against the grain cut, I'm also gonna comb against the grain because I don't want nothing to snag, you feel me? I got nappy hair, you feel me? So I ain't trying to snag on nothing. So we're gonna comb this 11-week wolf out very slow. And then right after that, we're gonna comb it back down. So let's get it. Okay, after that, I'm gonna grab my 3WP Green Edition brush. If you haven't seen my video on this, I'm gonna link it right there and check it out. We're gonna brush this thing down. Let's get it. part we all been waiting for, man. I'ma grab the same clippers that I've been using. These from Walmart clippers, man. I ain't no professional or nothing. It's some walls, they color coded, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna grab this and we're gonna throw on that fire guard and we're gonna get to work. We're gonna make sure it's open and let's get it, man. Also, don't be scared to go in against the grain, man. Like, long you got that guard locked in, man, it is not going nowhere. It's not gonna do nothing to your waves, man. So yeah, we just gonna keep going in against the grain. You can, it don't matter which way. Long you go against your pattern, like you really ain't gonna mess up your waves, man. Trust me on this. That wolf is coming off, man. Y'all see it, man. It's a lot of hair falling down, and bro, I'm telling you, it feels so good in my head right now. But I'm gonna go on and speed it up right now, so let's get it. Now what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna calm it back down. Since we lifted up, you gotta calm that down. And when you're going against the grain, man, you may have to go over it more than once. So yeah, we're gonna go over it again and make sure everything legit. Let's get it. Like I said, we're gonna do the same exact thing, except for this time we're gonna close the guard. But you see what I'm working with. But you see them things coming back to life. Don't worry about that crown though. I'm gonna get that. Don't worry about that crown. But yeah, them things looking nice. Now what you wanna do, you wanna grab the plastic bag, man. If you haven't seen my best plastic bag method video, man, I'm gonna link it right there so y'all can check it out. Let's get it.
A few moments later. Six and a half hours later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Boy, I ain't gonna need a lot, boy. It's been a long 11 weeks, bro. And after I got this cut, bro, I feel like I'm the man now. You feel me? Like, I'm really about to take over the way again right now. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and click the bell now, cause you can be notified. You feel me? Notification gang. You feel me? Drizzle gang a whole lot. It's a whole lot of everything, man. You feel me? You see the Gucci rag? Come on, man. Gucci rag, man. You know I got a review coming soon. You see, hold on, you see the wrist? Man, they don't call me SwaggDrizzle for nothing, but I'm about to show y'all the cut, man. I'm done talking. I just got out of the barbershop. I'm about to unwrap, show y'all the cut, man. So let's get into it, man. Gang! Hold on. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Whole lot of black and white, man. You feel me? You know what the going on. Let's get it.